Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss practical number 6. So the practical number 6 worksheet given here. So initially you want to enter this worksheet in your Excel file. So then thereafter you want to rename this given worksheet as a given this name. So then thereafter they are asking you to change the column width as a AB9 and the column CD11. Okay, so here A and B column you want to change the column width 9 and C and D column you need to change as 11. After that they are asking you to set the height of the row 2 as 40. So row 2 here, row height 40. Then align the whole column label horizontal vertically center. So here you want to select the all column labels vertical center, horizontally center. So after entering the row between 2 and 3, so you want to insert the new row. So you want to insert the new row in between 2 and 3. Just right click and insert. So here you can insert the row. Format the F column including $sign and the 2 decimal places. This also we have already discussed. So decimal places here you can increase and decrease 2 decimal places, and you need to insert a $signs. Apply the border to the cell. Here you want to apply the border. So like this way you can apply the border, whole border to the cell. Finally you want to make this table horizontally vertically center on the page. So now you can see when we are going to this print preview, it's going to come like that, center on your page. So from the page setup, so margins, so if you put a tick on horizontally vertically center, so you will get the table on your center page, otherwise you will get like this. Okay, so margins horizontal vertical center on the page. So finally you can save this sheets as a practical number 1. Here one more thing you want to do, the serial number. So serial number, just drag and drop here, you will be get the serial numbers here. So finally you can save this document as a practical number 6.